Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build remote collaboration systems, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start building a remote collaboration system, identify the objectives of your team. Understand what specific tasks and projects will require collaboration. Assess the current tools your team uses and their limitations. Research available collaboration tools that align with your team's needs. Consider factors like ease of use, integration capabilities, and scalability. Choose a combination of tools that facilitate communication, project management, and file sharing. Set up a dedicated communication platform, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams. Create channels for different projects or topics to keep discussions organized. Select a project management tool, like Trello or Asana, to track ongoing tasks. Establish clear workflows to ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Incorporate cloud storage solutions, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, for document sharing. Develop standardized naming conventions for files to enhance organization. Schedule regular virtual meetings to foster engagement and accountability. Create an online calendar to keep everyone informed about deadlines and events. Encourage team members to provide feedback on the tools and processes in place. Continuously adapt and refine your collaboration system based on that feedback. Monitor the effectiveness of the tools by assessing team productivity and cohesion. Stay informed about new tools and technologies that could benefit your system. Promote a culture of openness and support, encouraging team members to communicate their needs. Invest in training and resources to help your team get comfortable with the chosen tools. Revisit your remote collaboration system regularly to ensure it evolves with your team's requirements. Maintain flexibility in your approach, allowing for changes that enhance collaboration and productivity. Finally, celebrate successes and milestones achieved through effective remote collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.